Hello and welcome back to the family traditional home. And to those who will visit today, welcome. Would you like by hitting the thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe? Today I have a three product that I thrifted from Goodwill. The first one, because it has not yet been hung up by a professional, it's a ceiling lamp. It's very simple, and I'm going to put it in my entryway. Hopefully I'll get this done real soon. But I got this from Goodwill, and it was $7. I'm going to try to hold this up so that'll get out the way. You can get a better idea. It's just small enough, the right size, to go in that space. Next is this vase. It is simply beautiful with all its rich gold, green, browns, a touch of red and orange, and black as its background. It was $2.99. The top lifts up. I think it's just beautiful. The third item is this picture. It says garden. Look at the beautiful spring and summer colors around this framed gold frame around this picture. And then let me show you how I have styled this. The two of the products. One won't be put up yet to be styled. Okay, here's how it is styled with everything that is on the fireplace mantle. I'll just zoom in on the ones that just bought today. And then the things that are helping to make this fireplace look very nice. And here's the other picture on this side. Same as this one. And it's helping to bring that dark tone out of this vase up. And then here's the wreath that I made. With the beautiful, beautiful lilac purple color. And then the green that's in the flowers, in the vase, and the new flower, the green on the wreath. And then we help pick it up over where the cherry is. I hope the lighting is not affecting it where you can't see. Again, the 2 items here that I got from Goodwill. Price still on it. And this beautiful picture. The price is on it too. And then again, I will let you see the lighting. Soon, you'll see how it will hang from the ceiling in my entryway. Thank you all so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until Thursday.